क्लास नेम कौन सा क्रिएट करने के लिए बोला? लुक एट द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, इट इज देयर. Create a
publication.
yeah. So create a class publication. Create a class publication, and inside publication, what they are saying, it stores title and price of the publication. So title and price क्या होगा class publication का? Title and price is going to be what in class publication?
Private.
Yeah, it is going to be private, that's okay, but they are going to be the data members, right? Yeah. So character, title, title is going to be string because they have already put in bracket, it is a string. So then price, low. It's already specified. Since it's specified, we have to use like that only. And then from this class derive two classes. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? From this class derive two classes. What does that mean? What kind of inheritance are they using? From class publication, we have to derive two classes. So what kind of inheritance are we have to use here? एक बेस क्लास है, मल्टीपल चाइल्ड क्लास है तो
हायरार्किकल.
या हायरार्किकल इनहेरिटेंस हमें यूज करना है. सो इनहेरिटेंस यूज करना है तो प्रोटेक्टेड and semicolon class, and what are the class names they have told? Book and tape. So one is going to be the book, one is going to be the book, and other is going to be the tape. And book is inheriting class publication, so public publication, and tape is also inheriting public publication. Yeah. And what does book contain? It contains page count, which is going to be in integer. So int page count. And what does tape contain? It contains time, which is going to be float. It's already given. You can see the problem statement. The float time. So time is an inbuilt one. So we'll put it in time in. So that much is satisfied. Now they are asking us what? Write a program that instantiates the book and tape classes. That means we have to create objects of book as well as tape classes, which allows the user to enter data and display the data members. So that means in each, what will I have? I will have a function public access specifier. I'm going to write a function void which allows user to enter data. So get data function I will write here, and I will have a display function also here. Similarly, since I have to create objects of both the child classes, again I will have get data function and put display here. I'm going to write public. Okay, now what am I going to get data here? I'm going to write cout. First one is what? What is in the base class? Title. So enter the title in title, C out, again enter the price. Is it accessible here? Title and price, will it be accessible here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. C in price, then again C out, enter the number of pages and C in page count. So we have this for what is it? Use allows user to enter data. So this is a function for that. And for display the data members के लिए we are going to write the display function. We are going to write the display function. So here C out, just to know what we are printing. L C out, title, and L, then C out, then what else? Price, right? Price, price, and L, then C out, हो गए, price हो गए, then page count. Page count. So this is going to be the page. Okay, so that is displaying the data members of the class, child class book. Now we have to do the same thing for tape also. Some things are common. So I've just copied it, put it here. And here what is different is time in minutes, right? So the being time in minutes. And here. And similarly for display, we have some things in common. So I'm just copying it here, putting it here. Instead of book, it is going to be the tape details. And here we have time in minutes instead of page count. And okay, so it is playing time in minutes. So have you all understood? Is it clear? So as per the problem statement, we have created a base class. This is one child class. And this is the another child class. And both, what makes the child separate? One child has page count, the other child has playing time in minutes. The common things are getting inherited from the base class. And we have two functions, get data and display. Dekha, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to create, they have told to instantiate both the classes. So how are we going to do? The class name, let me look at the class name. It's on in lowercase, right? Okay. So I'm going to write book. B is the object, and I've got tape. T as the object. Okay. Now both the, yes. Now how am I going to call? Can you tell me? B dot get data and B dot display, right? Then, so this is going to accept book details. This is going to display book. Similarly, you have the same kind of function. T dot get data, T dot display. Accept tape details and display. So is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now let's see how it works. Line number 25. Why is it coming like that? Yeah, I didn't add the header files. Hash include IOStream using namespace std. Okay, so now it's asking for the title. So you can write. Now we don't know what title, right? So you can customize the code accordingly. We'll do one thing. We will do that because both is asking for title, right? So here we can write book title, and here we can write tape title. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, now it's asking for the title of the book. Bana Muru Sari. Price something. Number of pages, say 350. So you can see the book details are getting printed. Now it's asking for the tape title. So enter some title. Say this and say 60 minutes. Okay. So the tape is displayed. So this is how it works. Have you all understood? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Have you all understood the code? So we are using hierarchical inheritance here to do the code. समझ में आया क्या सबको? कुछ डाउट है? आप लोग ये कर सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Yes.
can try this out. Do it by yourself. I'll give you 10 minutes. Okay, it's an easy program. Please do it.
Ma'am, just share that question in chat box.
Yes?
Just share that question, problem question in chat box.
Okay. question. I'll show it to you.
Oh,
You can see this now.
yes. Yes.
1 second. 1 second, I'll share it. हुआ करके? Have you all got it?
No, ma'am, just give me 5 minutes. बस
Okay.
5
हुआ कंप्लीट? नहीं मैम, यहाँ पे ओके। कुछ एरर्स है, कुछ डाउट है उसमें? किसी को कुछ डिफिकल्टीज है? अपूर्वा, आर यू देयर टुडे?
यस मैम, कर रही हूँ मैं। थोड़ी
कितना
देर।
टाइम लगेगा ये प्रोग्राम करने के लिए?
सॉरी मैम, हो रहा है बस।
हर्ष, आर यू देयर? हर्ष, रोल नंबर 6
यस मैम।
करे कि नहीं?
कर रहे हैं मैम, हुआ नहीं है।
मध्ये सोडला ना.
हो गया? डन? किसी ने तो बोला ना अभी। सिद्धेश, सिद्धार्थ हो गया? रोल नंबर 9, 15 are you all there?
यस मैम।
किया कंप्लीट? नाइन सिद्धेश, is it
यस
over?
मैम। नो मैम।
Well, show me the output, show me your code. Why is it taking so much of time? ये तो
मैम
same ही
एक्चुअली आई एम ज्वाइन थ्रू मोबाइल बिकॉज माय लैपटॉप इज अंडर मेंटेनेंस, दैट्स व्हाई।
तो how long it is under maintenance?
नो मैम, just 2-3 days. I am taking screenshots and asking.
What about Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
You got the output?
No, not yet, ma'am.
तो complete कैसे हुआ? Show it to me. Share your screen.
Ma'am, can I share this video? Like, can I on my camera?
क्या? 1 second. Can't you share your screen?
I'm attending lecture on my phone and
And how are you showing the code?
on my laptop.
Now, students, if you all are not doing like sincerely, this is going to affect you really badly. Yeah? And what about others? Send me your code. WhatsApp me your code, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
अस्मिता,
यस मैम।
हो गया?
मैम आउटपुट नहीं मिल रहा।
दिखाओ मुझे कोड।
यस मैम।
1 मिनट में स्टॉप शेयरिंग करती हूँ। दिखाओ।
Is it visible?
Yes. What are you not getting? यहाँ पे तो आउटपुट आ रहे हैं ना?
1 minute, ma'am. After that, मैम इसके बाद कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, enter the number of pages in a book. ये वो कंपाइलर का प्रॉब्लम होगा आपका. ये जो प्रोग्राम मेस है ना, वो कंपाइलर में प्रॉब्लम्स देते हैं. You should have selected some other online. Just show me your code. Let me see. कोड ऊपर से स्टार्ट करो.
हाँ शुरू किया.
Ma'am, I have shared my result.
तो इसमें कुछ एरर नहीं दिख रहे, तो इट माइट बी बिकॉज ऑफ द कंपाइलर. ठीक है. ओके.
मैम शेयरिंग स्टॉप करो.
हाँ, शेयरिंग स्टॉप कर. ठीक है अभिषेक. You got the output, right? This
Yes,
is who you are the one who shared, no? अभिषेक ही शेयर किया ना?
नहीं मैम, अस्मिता.
अस्मिता, but WhatsApp में who shared right now?
Abhishek, me.
Okay, fine. Now who else? Siddharth. Siddharth. सिद्धार्थ नहीं है तो he is absent. Fine. सुमेध.
कर रहा हूँ मैम.
शेयर करो स्क्रीन. देखने दो मुझे.
मैं मोबाइल से ज्वाइन.
तब अभी मोबाइल से ही होगा. बिफोर 4:30 आई वांट टू सी एवरीबॉडीज आउटपुट. जिनका आउटपुट नहीं आ रहे, I will not give your attendance today. Either WhatsApp me your output code or show it to me right now. Is it clear?
मैम सिद्धार्थ ने कुछ तो चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है.
हाँ मैंने देखा. जब बुला रहे थे he was on hold. So now I will not accept his excuse. Wasn't there in the session that time. Okay, so this is the next problem statement. Can you all see my screen? Is the screen visible to you all? Okay. So this is the next problem statement that you all have to do. Create an employee biodata using following classes: personal record, professional record, academic, and assume appropriate data members and member function to accept the required data and print the biodata. Create biodata using multiple inheritance using C++. So we have to do this. So we have to do multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance कैसे करते हैं? पहले class biodata क्या क्या चाहिए? Using the following classes. So we need 3 classes here, right? Personal record, professional record, and academic record. So this is going to be, let me make it personal. Okay, personal में क्या होगा? Suppose name and age is there. Okay. Then I need another class called professional and academic, right? So first I'll put academic, and it is multiple inheritance. So this is going to be the base class also. So this is going to be another base class. and academics में suppose year of passing, उसको character array करती हूँ, year of passing and marks, float mark. And yes, so academic class is ready. Then I need another class which is professional. Professional. Again, inside that I might need job title or job. So उसको character string, and I need experience. Can be float. Okay, so you can add more data members. I'm just going to show you an example here. So these are the three classes and I have to show multiple inheritance. So let me call the fourth class called biodata, and it's going to inherit personal, comma, public, academic, comma, public, professional. Okay, so this is multiple inheritance, right? Yes or no? Multiple inheritance का मतलब क्या है?
Ma'am, in multiple inheritance, we have two parents and only one child, but we are making three
No,
classes.
ऐसे ही कुछ नहीं है. Multiple parents and see one child inheriting from multiple parents. मैंने example दो क्लास का दिखाया है. इसका मतलब नहीं कि सिर्फ दो ही क्लास पॉसिबल है. You can have more than one.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
So you can have multiple base class inherited to a child class. The
Yes.
example I showed you only two, like hierarchical, you have one single base class inherited to multiple child class. Got the concept? Yes?
Yes. Got it.
Okay. Okay. Now this is biodata, and here I don't need this. I need get data. So inside that name, I'll enter name. Then I enter the age. To make this accessible here, I have to make everything protected. Okay, that is already protected. Fine. So age, then what else is there? Year of passing. Year of passing. And for that, C in year. Then we need C out. Enter. What else we need? Marks. The marks and L. C in marks, then C out, enter the job and L, C in job, C out, the experience and L C in experience. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? समझ में आ रही कि नहीं? देखो 3 क्लास है, एट्रीब्यूट्स है, वो सब बायोडाटा इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं. देखा? यूजिंग मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one person is there in the session.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So similarly, now I have to display the details. Biodata, okay. I'm going to display the details. It's going to be the name. It is going to be the age. This is going to be year of passing. Year of passing. So put it as year. Then you have marks. Marks. Here you put it as marks. Then you have job title, see out. The job title. Here it is job, and you have experience or work experience, and you can put it here as experience. ठीक है? Yes, is it clear? Is it clear, student? Okay. Now, which object are you going to create? Which class object you have to create? पर्सनल है, एकेडमिक है, प्रोफेशनल है, बायोडाटा, तो कौन से क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे यहाँ पे? कौन से क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करना है?
Biodata.
Biodata. Because biodata is inheriting everything, right? So if you want to call the or you want to create the entire stuff, everything has to be accessed inside the class biodata, right? So you're right, creating biodata object dot clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have created the class. We have biodata, which is inheriting all the 3 classes. And inside that we have 2 methods, get data to get the values from the user, and a display method which is going to print the biodata. And in the main we have created the object of biodata because it's a child class. And using the child class object, we are calling the methods get data and display. So it's asking for the name. So suppose I enter, say, James, age 35, year of passing 2007, marks 78, job manager, and experience 10 years. So can you see the output? The biodata is printed. You can see here. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Are you all understanding? So
Yes.
what kind of inheritance did we use here?
Multiple.
ठीक है. So this is what you have to do next. So try this code now.
मैम एक बार स्टार्ट टू एंड वापस से ये प्रोग्राम लिखना.
Okay, यहाँ पे create biodata using following classes. So you are creating, you have to create 3 classes: personal, professional, academic. Okay, so personal class create किया with some attributes which is related to the personal data, and in class academics with some attributes which is related to the academic data, and professional some attributes which is related to the professional data. Then you have a class biodata, and it is inheriting all the base classes. You can see personal, academic, and professional. So this shows multiple inheritance where multiple base classes getting inherited to a child class. And inside biodata, I've written 2 methods: get data and display. Get data is accepting all the attributes you see in personal, academic, and professional. It is possible because it is getting inherited in biodata. So it's accepting everything, and in display, it's printing everything. And in the main, biodata object is created because the methods you want to call is present in biodata, and biodata is inheriting all the classes. So biodata object is created. Then biodata, the object dot get data, you call the function get data, and object dot display. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So please try to do this. Yes, completed. हो पा रहे कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. 5 minutes, बस 5 minutes.
Okay, students, will you all be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. So I'm stopping this session. So can I end this session for today?
Yes, ma'am.